Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you a good PC build for around $320. Now you could upgrade any of this stuff if you feel like it, but it's up to you. So our first thing is the CPU. It's an Intel Celeron G1620 2.6 gigahertz dual core processor. It's $44.98, and it's from Outlook PC, and it's a good processor. It's especially pretty good for gaming if you're not going to be like a serious gamer, but if you just want to play on the side and maybe make a couple videos that work for you. The motherboard, ASRock H61M DGS Micro ATX LGA 1155 motherboard. Goes for $44.99, and it's from Super Blitz. Oh, and another thing, I will be putting the link for the stuff in the description. So, um, for the memory, we got a Crucial Ballistic Sport, 4 gigabytes, DDR3 1600 memory. And also with the motherboard, the video card, and the case, you do have to pay shipping for that, but everything else that you don't have to pay shipping for. So that's good. You get that from Amazon, and when you do it, you'll just buy it from all that stuff. Now I currently don't have this, but I'm gonna be getting it soon. So okay, for storage, we're gonna have SanDisk Ready Cache 32 gigabyte 2.5 solid. Yeah, I advise getting a bigger storage. Yeah, get a bigger storage. But I'm just yeah, get a bigger storage. So I'll have to change that. So you just get something because 32 gigabytes is a little low. So you could probably because you're gonna need 32. You're gonna need more than 32 gigabytes to play a game. Yeah. So unless there's more to it than that, I don't know. Okay. The video card is a PowerColor Radeon HD 6670, 1 gigabyte video card. It's a pretty good video card. I'm using the video card on my PC right now, which is just a generic laptop. So it's $63. Do you have to pay shipping and handling? It's from Super Blitz. The case is a gigabyte GZF5HEB ATX mid tower case. So it's $25 from Newegg, and our power supply is a CoolMax, 600 watt semi modular ATX power supply. That's from Emma. So like I said, change the storage. Now, if you're just gonna spend like $500, you can update this. So like I'm gonna have $500 to spend, so I'm gonna upgrade my storage and maybe my memory if I can. Cause the motherboard could hold up to 16, so it can expand that much. So that's it for this little thing here. So I'll see you guys later. Maybe make a couple other videos, and there you go. That's a pretty good. And I will put the link in the description. Okay, see ya.